Welcome to our channel. Today we delve into the vibrant tapestry that is Indian festivals. India, a land of diverse cultures, commemorates countless festivals throughout the year. Each of these celebrations is a radiant spectacle of traditions, spirituality, and joy. They reflect the rich cultural diversity of the nation, each with its unique charm and significance. From the northern tips to the southern coasts, each corner of India radiates with festivities throughout the year. Let's embark on a year-long journey exploring the vibrant festivals of India. We begin with Diwali, a festival synonymous with the triumph of light over darkness. Diwali, widely celebrated as the festival of lights, showcases the triumph of light over darkness. Families light oil lamps, decorate their homes, and set off fireworks in a vivid display of joy and unity. Then we have Holi, the festival of colors, where people gather on the streets, splashing each other with vibrant hues. It symbolizes the victory of good over evil and heralds the arrival of spring. During Navratri, devotees honor the Hindu goddess Durga through dance, music, and fasting over 9 nights. It's a time for spiritual cleansing and renewal. Eid, marking the end of Ramadan, is another significant festival in India, where Muslims come together for prayer, feasting, and sharing gifts with loved ones. Christmas in India is a colorful amalgamation of traditions. Streets are adorned with lights, families exchange gifts, participate in midnight mass, and delight in festive meals. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated with grand processions, elaborate decorations, and immersion of statues in water bodies, honoring Lord Ganesha, the elephant-headed god. In the northeastern state of Assam, Bihu symbolizes the Assamese New Year. It's a time for folk music, dance, and feasts, celebrating the harvest and the onset of spring. Kerala's Onam festival is a vibrant affair, featuring intricate floral carpets, traditional dances like Kathakali, and spectacular feasts showcasing the region's rich culture. From north to south, east to west, the festivals of India tie its people in a bond of unity, diversity, and boundless joy. Each celebration, while distinct in its execution, carries a common thread of unity amidst diversity, reflecting the true spirit of India. In the end, Indian festivals bind its people in a unity of diversity and unbridled joy, embodying the essence of unity in diversity. We hope you enjoyed this journey through India's vibrant festivals. Please like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.